Hey YouTubers, I'm back in the junkyard again. We got a little bit of snow here, but it's not too bad. I'm looking at an old Econoline Ford. It's a very, very neat old rig. It's actually, for being in the junkyard, it's in very good shape. There's not a lot of rust. Not a lot of rust, you know, when you look down around the fender wells. I'll open the door there and I'll show you. It's got the old Krager wheels. Very nice. Make a nice ride if it was taken out, fixed up. And it's definitely in good enough shape to fix up. As you can see, there's not very much rust on this. Be a very nice project. Not sure what engine is in them, but the engine, okay, that piston's not out of this engine, that's for sure. It's huge. As you can see, the engine is right in between the seats. It's very cool. Very kind of like a plain sort of dash, but I guess they all were back then. It's very cool, and like I said, it's in very good shape. It's not rusted bad at all. It could easily be taken out and restored. You look down the quarter here, man, it's pretty solid. Old BF Goodrich tires and Krager rims. Definitely straight from the 70s. Very nice project. I'm not sure what year that would be. I checked the taillights there, but it really didn't say. Maybe if somebody knows what year it is or a little bit more information about them, they can let us all know. And right beside it is an old Dodge. Same sort of thing, cab over truck design. Can't even get back there. See how bad a shape this one's in, but going by the side of her here, it's definitely in worse shape. But it's pretty cool. Two pretty neat old trucks.